Good afternoon to all the Glistian viewers out there. Michael Azar, Sport Fanatic, previewing Friday the 13th race card, Fairview Turf Track. Let's go straight into my best bets. Race 3, number 9, Potenza. Gavin Smith, Craig Zaki. Think he's some good value, this horse. We move on to race 4, number 1, Zanovi. My best bet on the card, Richard Fourie, Alan Krief. Perfectly course and distance suited. I think he's a banker in all bets. Move on to the East Cape Nursery, number 5, Marchland. Muzi Yeni, Kelly Mitchley, looked a smart sort, won well on debut. I think he could follow up. Then we move on to race 8, number 14, T-Rex. Kelly Mitchley, Sudu, think also some nice value. Guys, I think you could take the double. Race 4, number 1, Zanovi, into race 5. Race 7, number 5, Marchland. Muzi Yeni, Kelly Mitchley. I think that's a nice double on the day. Also, you can mix them up in multiples with race 3, number 9, Potenza, and race 8, number 14, T-Rex. There you should get some good value. Guys, take your bets on soccershop.bet. They'll give you the best price. Guys, let's hit them hard tomorrow. It's Friday the 13th. It's the weekend. We need money. Let's get the cash. Boys, let's make them cry tomorrow. Cheers. Let's hit them hard. God bless.
Hi guys, Donnie here, tipping for Fairview on Friday. Obviously Scottsville didn't go that well, but hopefully we can redeem ourselves here. I'm going to start off with the Execta play in race 4, Lancia, Fiammi and Zanovi. Absolute 2-horse race, and I think take as many Execta boxes as you can here. Then my best bet comes up in race 7, Marchland, at about even money. I think this is a very smart horse to follow for the future, and absolutely a best bet on the card. And my each way play on the day comes up in race 5, Kwanda Ekukanleni, 10-1. I think massive value there. Second run on the grass with blinkers. I think this horse is going to go very close. My play would be take Kwanda Ekukanleni for a place and Marchland for a win at about 4-1, the double, and both for wins at about 16-1. Cheers, guys.
What's up, guys? It's Ashley here. We're doing the preview for Fairview Friday. I'm going to go a little bit light. I haven't been in the best of form. Not feeling well as well. I've had a bit of a bug the last couple of days. So I'm going to go with race 1, number 3, into race number 3, number 1, into race 4, number 4. Two of those horses are Alan Krief and Richard Fourie on board, and the other one in race 2 is Kelly Mitchley with Muzi Yeni. All three have got some good form. If you can put those three together, they are favourites, but if those three together can go for a win in a treble, you're getting just over 10-1. You can maybe sneak in 11-1. Good luck for Friday. Let's hopefully get some money for Saturday, and we can go large. Thanks, guys. Enjoy, and forgive me. I'm not well at all. Thanks, man. Cheers.
Hi guys, this is the Panthers Rabbit. We go racing at Fairview, not an easy place to race. We will go for a strike bet again, a place strike bet. Race 2, Atlantic Pearl. Race 4, Cheeky Laddie. Race 5, Chronicles of Narnia. Race 6, Flower Festival. And race 8, Diablo. Have a flutter, have fun, and happy punting.
Hi guys, this is our preview for the Fairview turf track. I'm going with a place multiple. It's going to be 4.5-1. You're not going to break the bank with that, but that's what I see. The results at Fairview has been up and down a bit. So I'm going race 3, Royal City Girl, for a place. To follow with race 4, Cheeky Laddie, for a place. And then race 6, Flower Festival. I think Flower Festival at 5-1 is a bit of value, maybe to try and get that on the head. But I'm going the safe route. I'm going the 3-way multiple for a place. I hope you guys get on and we do better than what we did at Scottsville. That was an absolute nightmare. But yeah, we battle on, and let's hope we can hit it hard. Cheers.
Hello guys, tipping you Fairview Friday the 13th. My suggested play is a treble. Race 1, US Ranger win. Race 3, Royal City Girl, a win. On to race 8, B52, a place. The treble works out to 25-1. I'm quite strong on it. I think we'll get it home tomorrow. Good luck, guys.